Welcome to an overview of the new Bill-To and Sell-To features in advanced projects by Progressus. In this video, we'll review the new Bill-To and Sell-To features on the project card at a high level, and then we'll show you a demo of these features. At a high level, the customer sell-to and ship-to address have been added to the project card. Previously, the Bill-To address was available, and we didn't have any additional addresses. The sell-to address is the main driver of the customer, and that's what you choose during the project wizard. The ship-to address is on the project wizard and will replace the site address for feeding to the ship-to address on the sales invoice. Both the Bill-To and the ship-to address default based on the sell-to customer, but you can override on the project card. We're planning to add the contract Bill-To Sell-To in a future release. For more information on the Bill-To ship-to address functionality, you can see the online help located at the link included here. This chart shows on the left hand the fields located on the project card, and on the right hand side maps to the flow to the sales order or sales invoices. The project card General tab has the sell-to information on it, and that flows to the sell-to section of the sales invoice and sales order. The customer ID, name, and address all flow to that sell-to area of those documents. We added a shipping and billing tab on the project card that contains both of these addresses, and those flow to the corresponding shipping and billing addresses on the sales invoice. If for some reason the Bill-To or Ship-To do not have an address, or it says default on the project card, it'll just pick the sell-to address when it flows over. The one exception is the billing address. For customer split, in that instance, it will pick up the billing address from the customer card of those customer split invoices. We'll start with the Create Project Wizard and show how the sell-to and bill-to and shipping addresses are created in the project card. Complete the fields on the first several pages of the project wizard as normal. So as shown previously, the project shipping address section is a site address, and now we're using that same information for the ship-to address. Note that if you have an existing project and there is something in the site address, the upgrade process will copy it to the shipping address. Now that the project is created, we can go to the project card. Note that when we created the project, we specified customer 20,000, so the address used for the sell-to customer name and address is coming from the customer card. We have a new shipping and billing tab on the project card. During creation of the project using the project wizard, we didn't specify anything for the Bill-To address, so it's defaulting to default customer. For the ship-to address, we filled out information in the project shipping address page in the Create Project Wizard. You also have the option for both the ship-to and Bill-To addresses that you can choose other options, such as another customer, or you can use another custom address that you enter. In a sales invoice created from this project, you can see the Bill-To customer number, same as sell-to customer number. The site address used is the ship-to address or site address from the project. As nothing was changed on the Bill-To side, it shows default customer. Once you post the invoice and view the posted sales invoice, there's no change as both sell-to and Bill-To are pointing to the same customer. If we open the posted sales invoice report, you can see that the report has also been modified to have the ship-to address updated. The example shown so far was using standard invoicing. Next, we'll look at how this works with a project where customer split billing is set up. We'll open a project we've already created as a split billing project and a few posted transactions. We'll take a look at those transactions and the project card on this project as well to view the difference in the Bill-To. And we'll split customers as well, so I have these three transactions. Next, looking at the project card, the sell-to customer is 20,000. In the Shipping and Billing Fast tab, the Bill-To customer is set to another customer, customer 30,000. The ship-to address is another address different from the first two. Next, let's look at the split customers under the Invoicing Fast tab of the project card. Use Customer Split is enabled. And if we drill down into the customer split percent field, it shows it's divided 50-50 each between customers 10,000 and 30,000. We'll run the create invoice process and The bill to customer used for the first invoice is $10,000 and $30,000 for the second invoice, whereas the sell to address is always from the sell to customer from the project card. The bill to is for customer $10,000. Similarly, for the next invoice, it'll use the bill to customer $30,000. After posting the invoice and reviewing the customer ledger entry, it's being posted to customer $10,000. And similarly, the invoice for the second invoice will be posted to the customer $30,000. Thanks for viewing this video on how to use the new Bill-To, Sell-To fields in advanced projects by Progressus, project invoicing. For more information on this topic or on customer split billing, see the links provided here.